go. Hold on, hold.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Today is 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So guys, bumili yung husband ko ng American pizza. So, galing ako sa labas at nandito na. This is the American size. A pizza is like cheese. Only cheese. Pizza my husband bought so that my son. How big is that? And there is like 1978 pizza. Marcos pizza. So, ang sarap nito! So, guys, you can join us with it. Me and my son, my husband, I need late here. I need to bring my husband upstairs. So, crunchy! Look, the bottom one. Oh, the cheese. Good. So I think I need to bring my husband. I need to bring my husband. So guys, that. So I'll just enjoy. I'll see you couple minutes, guys. Hello guys, I'm back again. So we have a big pizza here, and my husband bought Tehran. So I already give my husband a pizza. Now it's our turn to my son. My son and me will eating a chicken wings and a pizza. I need to get a plate, guys. So we have nice lunch. This is freaking us. This is cheese only, and me and my husband, my son, for eating. We eat 4 slices. Ta-da! Want to join? So can you join me, guys, to eat? We cover the pizza. And we put the plate. And we have a drinks. So we have a water. First of all, I need to put my son in the chair. Guys, can you join us to eat our lunch today? And my son is waiting. So I'm so hungry today. So can you join us? We're eating here. And I will. You want the pizza? You love the pizza, yo. So, mommy is eating pizza. I don't know yet. So I have chicken wings here. It's oh, look at that, the cheese. It's good. I love the cheese, yo. And here in America, we have many cheese. The cheese. He loves it. Cheese. He likes the cheese. How cute when he was eating. You are such a good boy. I'm so freaking handsome. One more. There is a nice cheese. Ay. I don't want. Are you full? So, are you done? Your mama kiss first. Okay. So, guys, I need to finish before I end this video. I need to bite first. Look at the cheese. So freaking juicy. Can you join me, guys, to eat? The cheese is so melting when you eat in your mouth. Here in America, our pizzas look like 15 inches, like freaking huge. It look like 4 people can eat. But it depends on how hungry you are. Look how nice, smooth. When you eat the lots of cheese, it look like when you're eating, it look like melting in your mouth. I need to finish this. I need to finish this lunch because my son is just only small bite because this morning he have a grapes, he have apples. That's why it's not like totally freaking hungry. And I will end this video, guys. If you thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and press the notification bell. Share, like, and comment below and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay in Vegas 89. To all my followers, viewers out there, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next vlog. Bye. God bless you. God bless us all and take care always.